In a world filled with stories of success and achievement, it is often the humble beginnings that resonate most deeply. This is the story of Alex, a young boy born and raised in a small village, whose journey from obscurity to becoming a celebrated author serves as an inspiration for many. Through his experiences, we will explore the beauty of childhood, the challenges of education, the discovery of passion, and the relentless pursuit of dreams. Join me as we delve into Alex's life, highlighting the significance of hope, love, and perseverance. Alex was born in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills and lush green fields. The village, with its cobblestone paths and friendly neighbors, was a place where everyone knew each other. It was a close-knit community where traditions were cherished, and the simplicity of life brought joy to its inhabitants. Growing up in such an environment shaped Alex's character, instilling in him values of kindness, hard work, and a deep appreciation for nature. The landscape surrounding Alex's village was breathtaking. Towering trees lined the roads, their leaves whispering secrets to the wind. Fields of golden wheat swayed gently under the sun, while vibrant wildflowers painted the meadows with splashes of color. The air was filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers and the sounds of chirping birds. This idyllic setting provided the perfect backdrop for Alex's childhood adventures. Alex's family played a pivotal role in his upbringing. His father, a diligent farmer, worked tirelessly in the fields, tending to crops and livestock. He taught Alex the importance of hard work and dedication, often sharing stories of his own struggles and triumphs. On the other hand, Alex's mother was a passionate teacher who loved children. She nurtured Alex's curiosity and encouraged him to explore the world around him, fostering a love for learning that would stay with him throughout his life. Their home was a charming cottage with a bright red roof, standing out against the greenery of the surroundings. The house was adorned with a beautiful garden, lovingly tended by Alex's mother. It was her sanctuary, filled with colorful flowers, fragrant herbs, and even a few vegetables. Alex spent countless hours in the garden, helping his mother plant seeds and water the plants. This experience not only deepened his bond with her, but also ignited a sense of creativity within him. At the tender age of 5, Alex embarked on his educational journey. The day he stepped into the classroom was etched in his memory forever. With wide eyes and a heart full of excitement, he entered the school building, clutching his new backpack. The smell of fresh paint and polished wood filled the air, and the sound of laughter echoed through the halls. It was a new beginning, a chance to learn and grow. In his first grade class, Alex met Miss Lily, a warm-hearted teacher with a passion for nurturing young minds. Her enthusiasm for teaching was infectious, and she quickly became a guiding light for Alex. Alongside her, he found a lifelong friend in Tom, a cheerful boy with a knack for storytelling. Together, they explored the wonders of learning, sharing their dreams and aspirations during recess. The first day of school was filled with joy and anticipation. Alex vividly remembers the feeling of sitting at his tiny desk, surrounded by colorful posters and eager classmates. Miss Lily introduced them to the world of letters and numbers, sparking a flame of curiosity in Alex's heart. He couldn't wait to learn how to read and write, envisioning the stories he could create. It was during this time that Alex discovered his passion for writing. Inspired by Miss Lily's encouragement, he penned his first story about a brave little bird who dared to fly high above the treetops. The excitement of creating characters and weaving narratives captivated him. Little did he know that this initial spark would ignite a lifelong love for storytelling. As Alex continued to hone his writing skills, he poured his heart into his stories. His first tale, centered around the adventurous little bird, was a reflection of his own dreams and desires. He wrote about the bird's journey to discover the world beyond its nest, mirroring his own yearning for exploration and adventure. This story became a symbol of hope and courage for Alex, inspiring him to pursue his passion further. Miss Lily recognized Alex's talent and encouraged him to share his stories with the class. Her belief in him fueled his confidence, and he began to see writing as more than just a hobby. It was a way to express himself and connect with others. With each story he wrote, he felt a sense of fulfillment, knowing that his words had the power to inspire and entertain. Driven by his newfound passion, Alex decided to enter a local writing competition for young authors. He poured his heart into his submission, crafting a tale that resonated with themes of friendship and bravery. To his astonishment, he won first place. This recognition validated his efforts and solidified his determination to pursue a career in writing. The thrill of victory ignited a fire within him, propelling him toward greater heights. As Alex progressed through school, his love for literature only grew stronger. He made the decision to study literature at university, believing that immersing himself in the world of books would enhance his writing skills. The thought of exploring different genres, styles, and voices excited him, and he eagerly anticipated the opportunities that lay ahead. University life opened doors to new experiences and perspectives. Alex encountered professors who challenged him to think critically and push the boundaries of his creativity. He attended workshops, participated in discussions, and collaborated with fellow aspiring writers. Each interaction enriched his understanding of storytelling, allowing him to refine his craft and develop his unique voice. With every passing semester, Alex's resolve to become a published author strengthened. He dedicated countless hours to writing, often losing track of time as he immersed himself in his fictional worlds. He understood that the path to success would not be easy, but he was willing to face the challenges head on. Armed with determination and a notebook filled with ideas, he set out on his journey to become a published author. After graduating, Alex embarked on the ambitious task of writing his first book. He poured his heart and soul into the manuscript, crafting a story that reflected his experiences and emotions. However, the journey was fraught with difficulties. There were moments of self-doubt, writer's block, and the fear of failure. Yet, Alex persevered, reminding himself of the passion that had driven him all along. Once the manuscript was complete, Alex submitted it to various publishing houses, hopeful for a positive response. However, rejection letters flooded in, each one stinging more than the last. It was disheartening, and there were times when he questioned whether he was cut out for this path. But deep down, he knew that every successful author faced rejection before finding their breakthrough. Just when Alex was about to lose hope, he received a call from a small publishing house that saw potential in his work. They offered him a contract, and the joy he felt was indescribable. His dream of becoming a published author was finally coming true. The release of his book was met with enthusiasm, and readers connected with his story on a profound level. The recognition and success that followed were a testament to his hard work and resilience. For Alex, writing became more than just a profession. It was a means of connecting with others. Through his stories, he aimed to touch hearts, evoke emotions, and inspire change. He realized that words have the power to bridge gaps, foster understanding, and create empathy among people from diverse backgrounds. Writing allowed him to share his experiences and connect with readers on a deeper level. Having navigated the ups and downs of his journey, Alex often shares his wisdom with aspiring writers. He encourages them to embrace their uniqueness, cultivate their passion, and never shy away from expressing themselves. He emphasizes the importance of perseverance, reminding them that setbacks are merely stepping stones toward success. Alex believes that every story deserves to be told, and he urges others to chase their dreams relentlessly. Even after achieving success, Alex remains committed to his craft. He continues to write, exploring new genres, and experimenting with different styles. He believes that growth is a lifelong journey, and he embraces the opportunity to evolve as a writer. Additionally, he actively engages with his readers, sharing insights into his writing process and encouraging them to embark on their creative journeys. Reflecting on his journey, Alex feels immense gratitude for the experiences that shaped him. From the small village where he grew up to the bustling literary world, every step has been a testament to the power of dreams. He cherishes the memories of his childhood, the support of his family, and the encouragement of mentors who believed in him. Each chapter of his life has contributed to the person he is today. Alex's story serves as a reminder of the importance of hope, love, and perseverance. Life is filled with challenges, but it is our ability to rise above them that defines us. He believes that with unwavering determination and a heart full of passion, anyone can overcome obstacles and achieve their dreams. Hope fuels our aspirations. Love inspires our creativity, and perseverance guides us through adversity. In conclusion, Alex encourages everyone to live authentically and pursue their dreams wholeheartedly. He believes that each individual possesses a unique story worth telling, and it is essential to seek purpose in life. Whether through writing, art, or any other form of expression, embracing one's passions can lead to fulfillment and happiness. As Alex continues to share his journey with the world, he hopes to inspire others to embark on their own paths of self-discovery and creativity. In a world where stories abound, Alex's journey stands out as a beacon of inspiration. From his humble beginnings in a small village to becoming a celebrated author, his experiences remind us of the transformative power of dreams, determination, and love. As we navigate our own paths, let us remember that every setback is an opportunity for growth, and every dream is worth pursuing. Embrace your story, share it with the world, and inspire others to do the same.